Good morning, all the students, and welcome to the virtual class. Today, we will see a new lesson in English that is the Merchant of Venice. This is a very nice and a tragic manner story. In this story, you can find a different kinds of characters. Some are noble, kind, but some are not noble and not generous. But till the end, you can see the story will end it with a tragic manner. So let us start our new lesson. Okay, Antonio was a merchant who lived in Venice, and Venice is a prosperous city in Italy. In those days, that is about 500 years ago, sea voyages were dangerous. Sea voyages. Voyages means was traveling. You are traveling by the sea. That is a sea voyages. Okay, we are dangerous. But then too, some adventurous merchant traveled across the sea. Adventures means what? Adventures like that kinds of merchants who like to take a risk. So that kind of merchants are yet traveled. Merchant, that kind of person whose job is to buy and sell products in large amount, especially by trading with other countries. Okay, you can say they are one kind of businessman who import and exports their merchandise. Merchandise means what? Their goods. Okay, so they spent a lots of money in sending ships to far away countries. To far away countries. The ships brought back spices and other treasures. Other treasures, that means other kind of ornaments, other kinds of clothes, products from India and other countries. Okay. The merchants sold these things in Europe because Europe is a very advanced country. So they sold all these things in Europe and return back. They get a lots of profit in this business. So Antonio is also was a merchant. At the time when the story begins, the Antonio was waiting for his ship. The Antonio was waiting for his ship to return with merchandise. Merchandise means what? Goods, or you can say expensive products. He had put almost all his money in the ships. All his money in the ships. Students, when you set up a new business, first of all, you have to be pay the invest. You have to do the investment. Then after you will get interest, right? So same thing has happened here. The Antonio put all the money in this ship. Antonio was a kind person. He had so many friends. He's such a generous, gentle, noble, and kind person. So that's the reason he has so many friends. But his best friend was Bassanio. Bassanio was a young and handsome and a noble. He is also a very kind person. But unfortunately, there is a one thing. He had no money. Bassanio was a poor person. Bassanio wanted to marry with Portia. Portia, such a beautiful and intelligent girl. Who is the Portia? She was a very beautiful and intelligent girl. She was the only daughter of a very rich and wealthy man. Her father had died. Unfortunately, after some times, her father had died, leaving her a large estate. Large estate. Estate means what, student? All the money and the property owned by a person at the time of his death. After the Portia's father death, all the wealth, all the property and money will be owned by the Portia. So the Portia becomes a rich person. Now, Portia's father have the worried about her daughter marriage. So in his will, Portia's father had written how Portia's husband should be selected. How Portia's husband should be selected. He has set a test for her suitors. Suitors means what? Suitors a person who wants to marry a particular woman. Okay. So, different types of men are came forward who have a desire to marry with Portia. There are so many reasons. The first, she is very beautiful, intelligent, and the second important, now she is become a wealthy and rich woman after her father death. So the Portia father already make set a test for her suitors while choosing husband for the Portia. They had to choose between their three caskets. Now, what is the caskets? Now, Portia's father set up a three caskets, one of gold, one of silver, and one of lead. Lead that means a simple metal casket. Each casket had something written on it. Each casket have a message. On the old casket, it was written, "Who- Whoever chooses me shall get many men desires." That means in an old casket, if whoever chooses that that gold casket can fulfill the old desire, the old wishes of the man. And on the silver casket, in the on the silver casket is there is also one message. What is the message? Whoever chooses me shall get as much as he deserves. As much as he deserves. That means a particular person will get lots of things as compared to their abilities. On the casket of lead, that means a simple and metal casket, what is written over there? Whoever chooses me must give has it all he has. Has it all he has. That means in a third casket of lead, what is the message on that third casket? That whoever chooses me, they can gives me all he has it. Has it means a risk, a dangerous thing. Whatever risk or dangerous situation you are facing at present, you can give to me. In the third casket is written this kind of message. One by one, Portia's suitors was the Prince of Morocco. He chose the gold casket. Prince of Morocco, he came, he has desired to marry with Portia, so he chose the gold casket. But when he opened the casket, what is the message inside? The message is that it was not the right casket. It was not the right casket. All that shining glitters is not a gold. To find a pure gold, it is not easy task. So the gold casket, that means the first casket, it wasn't wrong. Then after another suitors, the Prince of Aragon, the Prince of Aragon chose the silver casket, but that too was not the right casket. That means the gold casket and the silver casket, the both casket was a wrong, that not a correct casket. Now here, Bassanio wanted to try his luck with this casket. Bassanio and Antonio, they are lived in Venice. Okay. And the Portia, she lived in Belmont. Belmont, Belmont, that place where the Portia lived on her casket. Bassanio wanted to try his luck also. So he wanted to go in a Belmont. He had to travel, but he had no money for that because the Belmont city is very far from the Venice. And unfortunately, the Bassanio had not money for the traveling. When the Antonio came to know this, he wanted to help Bassanio. At last, they will come to the conclusion. Antonio told Bassanio to borrow money in his name. That means here the Antonio tried to explain to Bassanio that you can take a money from another person, but gives my name. In my name, you can take the money. So then after they went to the Shylock. Shylock is the Jewish moneylender person. Jewish, one region which comes in the Christians. Moneylender means that person who give the money to the another person in with the interest. They give the money with the another person with the interest. And they fix one date, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, and after that completion of that month, they have to return back the money with the interest. Okay, so that is the duty of the Shiloh. Antonio and the Bassanio, they both went towards the Shiloh and explained him all the situation. Shiloh had a lot of money, but he was not at all a generous person. He is not a kind person. He gives only the importance to the money. He did not like Antonio. Shylock did not like the Antonio. Why? What is the reason? Because Antonio sometimes give the money without charging any interest. As I told you before, students, the Antonio is a kind and a noble person. He tried to help to the each and every person. So whenever the Antonio gave the money to the needy people, they does not charge any interest. Because of this reason, Shylock did not like Antonio. But here the Shylock decided to take advantage of this situation. So he gave a strange condition in front of the Antonio and the Bassanio. And what was the strange condition? If Antonio failed to return the money within 3 months, Shylock would cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh. Pound of Antonio's flesh. Pound means what? That means a proper unit for measuring a weight. A 1 pound is approximately equal to 445 grams. Okay. So he put this strange condition in front of both the person that if you fail to return my money within 3 months, what I will do, I will cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh. Antonius agreed. At this moment, Antonius agreed because he wanted to help to Bassanio. So he borrowed the money from Shylock and gave to the Basnion. Basnion became very happy. He went to the Belmont place where the Portia lived. When he saw the casket, he chose the lead one, that is the simple and metal casket. And that was the right casket because in that casket, what is the message that gives you all hazard? Whatever risk, whatever dangerous situation you have, give all the risk and dangerous to me. Students, if you want to be live your life happily, you don't need a money. You don't need to fulfill your wishes or the desire. Whatever what you need to live your happy life without the risk, without facing any dangerous situation. Right? So that's the reason Bassanio chose the third casket, and the third casket that was the right casket. At last, Bassanio won Portia's hand. Portia too was glad to marry Bassanio. Both get married and live their life happily. After some time, meanwhile, after some time, Shylock heard that Antonio had lost his ship. He heard he heard this thing from the another person, but it is not a correct information. Shylock just heard that Antonio had lost his ship. He was very happy that Antonio would not be able to pay the money because Antonio spent all his money in that ship. Right now, Antonio doesn't have any amount of money. So Shylock think I can took the advantage of the situation. Shylock took Antonio in front of the court and demanded that he fulfill his strange and cruel condition. What is the cruel condition? That the Shylock will cut a pound of flesh of Antonio. But whoever are present in the court, they doesn't like and they are not agree with the Shylock. All felt very sorry for Antonio because they liked Antonio. What was the reason? Because Antonio is a noble and a kind person. That's the reason people like to the Antonio. But Antonio had written a bond to Shylock. What is the bond? Bond that means a legal agreement paper. Legal agreement paper. And according to that agreement, if Antonio failed to return back the money, so Shylock will cut the flesh of Antonio. According to the law, Shylock was right. When Bassanio and Portia heard all this, they rushed back. They rushed back to Venice. They rushed back to Venice because at before where the Portia lived, she lived at Belmont. When Bassanio and Portia heard all this, they rushed back to Venice. Portia told Bassanio to pay Shylock twice amount to save Antonio. Twice amount, that means a double amount with the interest and give to the Shylock just for to save Antonio. But Shylock was adamant person. Adamant person, that means impossible to change an opinion or decision of that particular person. It is a very difficult task to change Shylock's opinion because he just demanded only a pound of Antonio's flesh. Everyone in the court, including the judge, everyone felt that Shylock's demand was inhuman, that was not a correct. At last, the judge asked Shylock to show mercy towards Antonio. Mercy, students, mercy that means to show the kindness in front of the person. Forgive them. But Shylock was not at all ready to do all these things. Why was the reason? Because he felt that Antonio gives the money to the needy people without interest, without charging any interest. And he also felt that Antonio and others had treated him badly. So that's the reason he wanted to take a revenge. Just then, when all the situation is going on, and just then, a young lawyer entered the court. A young lawyer entered the court. He said that he would fight Antonio's case because Antonio's case is a very tragic and a very complicated case. So he asked Antonio whether he had agreed to Shylock's condition. He asked Antonio, "Are you agree? What's the Shylock conditions?" Antonio said, "Yes, I totally agree because legally I'll sign in an agreement paper. If I fail to pay the money, so I will give a pound of flesh." And according to the law, Shylock was correct. Then, after the young lawyer requested to Shylock to show mercy. Mercy means what? To show the kindness. Through the law, Shylock was a right, but then to the lawyer appealed that show a mercy. Mercy is a quality of God Himself. When a person shows mercy to someone else, they they are both blessed. They both blessed by God. Mercy was more valuable things, and it is as compared as king's crown. Mercy is a valuable and respectable thing. Show a mercy towards the Antonio. Because if we cut a pound of flesh, that means Antonio would die. But at last, all this had no effect on Shylock. Shylock still wanted to fulfill his strange condition. Then the young lawyer said, according to the law, Shylock allowed to cut a pound of flesh. But there is a one condition that he could do that. At the same time, the lawyer warned that while cutting of the flesh, at the same time, when you cut the flesh of the Antonios, should not shed even one drop of Antonio's blood. And it is not possible because if you cut your flesh, automatically you can see a blood. You can see a blood, right? It is drop, it is flowing out. But here the young lawyer said, according to that agreement paper, you are just written over there, flesh of Antonius. You are not mentioned there of blood. So according to this, you just to cut the Antonius flesh. You cannot shed even a one drop of Antonius blood. And you have cut exactly a 1 pound. 1 pound, approximately 445 grams. So you have to cut exactly 1 pound of flesh, nothing less and nothing more. When you fulfill your strange condition, this thing you keep in your mind that a blood should be not come out. Second, it should be exactly 1 pound because all this thing is not mentioned in your agreement paper. And if you fail, you cannot do this. So according to law, we can punish to Shylock also. The whole scenario explained by the young lawyer. Shylock realized that he could not do this is won't be possible because if you cut the flesh, automatically you can see the blood. Then after young lawyer again asked him to do while accepting all this condition. At last, and Shylock accepted his defeat. He accepted he cannot be do all these things while accepting this condition because it is not possible. So after the long discussion, young lawyer saved Antonio's life. Young lawyer saved Antonio's life. Now, at last, all the peoples are start thinking who was the young lawyer. Basnio and Antonio find out later that it was none other than Portia herself. Here, the students, the Portia dressed as a young man. She get up a young lawyer, and then after she fight the Antonio's case and save his life. Later, later, they will learn that Antonio's ships were saved. Before that, Shylock heard that Antonio's ships was lost. It was a wrong message. He get a wrong message. Antonio's ships were saved, and he had not in fact lost his money. He get his money back. All the profit, whatever the Antonios had while selling his merchandise, he get that profit. So at last, everything is goes nicely. Thus, the story, which will have ended in a tragic manner, because in this story you can find out too much a tragic manner. Tragic manner means what? Sometimes is very sad, often involving a death and suffering situations. Okay, so the story ended in a tragic manner, but till the last ended happily. Sometimes they face a sad, a suffering situation, and at the end, when all the peoples are saved, when all the peoples are saved, they feel so happy because they saved the Antonio's life, who is a very generous and the kind person. So this is the story about the merchant of Venice.